Hey, good evening, good afternoon. Raymond Noble here. I wanted to talk a little bit about marketing. I ran across one of my wholesale lenders, and we were talking about some loan program stuff. And I asked him about his ability to create marketing for me. And what I found out is not only that they will help me do some marketing, but they also have some marketing material for real estate agents as well. So I'm going to share my screen and go over a little bit of it. And screen two. Okay, so this is the marketing material. The category that I'm going to go through is renovation, but there's all these other categories that we could go through: temporary buy downs, reverse mortgages, VA, USDA, non-QM, jumbo, Freddie, Fannie, FHA. But I'm going to go through the renovation portion of it, right? Okay, so within the renovation, we have several different ones. It looks like about 10. This is home office renovation for realtors. This is choose a renovation loan for realtors. Fannie Mae home style pool for realtors. A whole bunch of different ones: VA renovation, VA energy efficient mortgage, USDA renovation, home office renovation, FHA 203H, disaster relief renovation, Fannie Mae Homestyle B, Homestyle A, and then Homestyle Pool Program, the flyer, and then Pool Program A is Program B, both flyers. So let me just pick one. Let's go with VA renovation. So I'm going to switch screen because I already had it pulled up. Share screen 3. So now we're looking at the VA renovation program. Here's the flyer. It says, wow, I got $50,000 in funds to remodel, all included in my VA mortgage. Um, our VA loan renovation program offers qualified veterans up to $50,000. Other lender cap may be at 35. That depends on how we structure it. No down payment is required. So that means that you could purchase a property and have $50,000 worth of renovation done to a property before the veteran moves in, and it would all close in one loan at closing, and then the renovations would begin after close. So still probably 30 to 45, it's probably safer to say 40-day process because we have to get bids from the contractor, and a lot of times that's where the time element is. However, I do have some contractors that are good and timely and would like to have the work, so we can talk about that. And then the opportunity to make repairs, update bathrooms, kitchens, floors, even add a pool or outdoor living space. So we can put the real estate agent's logo here, your name, title, email address, phone number, and put a disclaimer. So this is for you, the real estate agent, you, the insurance agent, you, the investment broker, whoever would like to have the flyer upload it to social media and get some leads, and let's do some business. So, but predominantly, this is for real estate agents to use for their marketing. So if you're interested and you need some marketing material to post, give me a call. We'll get all this stuff filled out, get your logo, maybe get your pictures put in here, and then boom, let's go. Just another added value. Like to have a great day, and see you guys soon. Bye.